So beautiful you are, none of you are forgotten. You are all in the garden. You forget that you are a part of the garden. I do not forget. I am with you. As Saint Germain said, we are more able to be in the material, and soon we'll be able to materialize more frequently for longer periods of time. Find me, Quan Yin, in the flowers, in the earth, in the garden. Find me in the joy of a babbling brook. Find the vibration of spirit in the earth and in the beauty of the earth. Find the places of the earth in their most natural form and love them. I am Quan Yin. You are love, beloved children. You are my children, and I love you. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Breathe in, and be with me, Quan Yin. I would ask all of you to be with yourself, to speak deliberately, to think slowly, to slow the minds and slow the movements for the rest of the evening, to be with the earth in some way, to go outside under the sky, to walk on the earth, to take some moments before you return to your homes and your worries and the beginning of your week. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, loving you and blessing you. I am Quan Yin. Turn your palms to your heart and think of the compassionate one, however you see me. However you see me, male or female. However you wish to embody me. Compassion for the self first. Mentally repeating, I am compassionate for myself. I am compassionate with, and think of those things that you've been judging. I am compassionate with my worried self, or my impatience, or my anxious self. I am compassionate and whole. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. And now hold the palms open to receive, believe. The energy vibration of peace and love rides on those flames of light. The peace and love is within the center of the flame. So as the fires burn, the love is within. Transform your fears. Transform your negativities. Transform your judgment of self. Transform your judgment of others. Transmutation. The changing. It's happening. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Know this. It's happening. The change you have prayed for, it's on its way. It's here. It's here today. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin.